Hey guys, today we are going to make this amazing salmon recipe I got from that same lady that gave me the other recipe, my friend's mom. Her Instagram is Delicias en Casa. Check it out. You can follow her. She has literally the best recipes. The main ingredient you are going to need today is salmon and lemon juice. Everything else you can kind of work your way around. You guys want to know something funny? I have my laptop in the kitchen right now because I'm literally following the recipe as I'm making it. So wish me luck. Yeah. Okay. Butter. Butter, 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 butter. Do you guys want to know something funny? I forgot to defrost my salmon. I forgot that it was frozen. So it's defrosting right now, and that's gonna take some time, and I'm having a little bit of anxiety. So what I'm gonna do is, while it's defrosting, I'm gonna make something I already know how to make. It's one of my favorite afternoon snacks, and I can make a video about it too. So, but I'm still gonna cook the salmon. It's just I gotta wait for it to defrost first. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a salmon spread bagel sandwich, which is delicious. So get ready. What I'm gonna need for this simple recipe is smoked salmon, one of my favorite things, a bagel, and cream cheese. Okay, so let's get started. First thing you're gonna do is obviously open your bagel. Second thing is spread the cream cheese. I'm obsessed with cream cheese. This is probably too much. You don't have to put that much. I'm just obsessed, and yeah, I am addicted to cream cheese. It's one of my many bad habits. Next, I am going to open my diced tomatoes. Now, obviously it's better if you have real tomatoes, but like I said, things are rough in New York. I haven't been going out outside a lot, and I'm gonna be using diced tomatoes. This is like to make pasta. This is not what I thought it was gonna be. Okay, but let's see if I can work with it. Okay, why? Okay. These are seasoned already. It has like garlic or something, but it's not that bad. I'm gonna put some on top of our really tasty bagels. And then the most important part of all, I'm sure everybody knows already, the salmon. Take out your salmon, smoked salmon, and put it on top of your sandwich. So good. So good. So good. Fish has finally defrosted, and I ate my yummy salmon spread sandwich. For visual purposes, I'm gonna be using this transparent thingy to season. First things first, lemon juice, which apparently is what I've been using the most lately to season almost everything. Okay, that might be too much. Let me read the measurements. So that was too much. She said only 2 tablespoons, but whatever, we'll let it go. 60 millimeters of milk or milk cream. So I'm gonna use milk. I know I'm already struggling making this, so I'm gonna make sure to follow all the instructions from here on. Okay. Now, if any of you guys saw my cake video, you know that my measuring cup is a little bit on the broken side, so I'm gonna add that milk. I think I put too much again. Whatever. Celery juice. Ooh. Cutting cilantro now, once again, is another one of my favorite ingredients to add because it tastes so good. And I'm putting my heart and soul into the salmon, even though I'm the only one that's gonna eat it because my boyfriend doesn't eat fish. Here's what we got so far. Jesus, there's a motorcycle outside. Yeah, seasoning it all around. This is gonna be really good salmon. Next, I just added some butter on low and it melted. And now we can add the salmon. It's cooking, it's doing well. I have it on low. I'm just gonna let it cook. Once again, I'm using oat milk because I use oat milk for everything and some This is a finished product and I couldn't be more proud. I can't wait to eat this, guys. By the way, this is garlic bread, which I love, and it's not burnt. I like it toasty like that. The moment of truth has come. It's time to try this meal. And as always, guys, I am very honest. If I made good food, I made good food. If I made bad food, I made bad food. So let's try it. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, this is a masterpiece. Oh my goodness. Wow. 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 This is literally one of the best salmons I've ever had. Wow. I truly outdid myself here. So I just finished eating my salmon and it was amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I ran out of battery, so I had to come in the room and charge my phone. But I want to say thank you to Luz, Carla's mom, for helping me make this amazing recipe. It's probably one of the best ones I've made so far. And I gotta tell you guys, I've come a long way. It might seem like 1, 2, 3, it's so easy, but I'm the kind of person that I'm 26 years old and I was eating out like every single day because I literally don't know how to make that many things. I was cooking basic meals every single day, you know? It means a lot to me that I'm trying and it's coming out good. So, yay. And for anyone else that's learning with me, that's trying these recipes, thank you. I love you guys. Subscribe or follow me on Instagram at Laura Vanessa. Bye guys. Till next time. Also, if you guys have any ideas on things I should make or cook, write them down as a comment and I'll find one way or another a recipe so I can make that.